What is up guys, Standard the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link a button to a web page in WordPress. So first you need to head over to the WordPress website and then you need to log in with your credentials. After that on the left side, you need to hover to and click on dashboard. After clicking on dashboard, here you will open and load your website's dashboard. From here on the left side now, in this menu, you need to hover to pages and then click on add page. After clicking on Add Page, a new window will open wherein you will see the Add Page Editor, or it will directly take you to the Add Page Editor. From here, you just need to click on this plus icon here, and after clicking on this plus icon, you just need to search for buttons. After searching for buttons, here you will find this buttons icon. Click on that once, and then your button section will be added. So from here, you need to click on this and then the button section will appear. From here you need to add the text. Let's say I am naming the button click me, I am the button, or just simply I'll keep it click me. After that, here you can see the select parent block buttons or the button. When I click on this button here, I can also choose the styles like with outline or without outlines, like I need to fill it or I need to keep it empty from inside. And then I can also move it right and left. I can just keep it in the maximum width and I can just align it to the middle. And from here, I will align the text at the center. And here I can add an external link in my button. So whenever someone clicks on this button, the person is just opens, the person just opens that particular link that I have added in the button. From here, I can just bold it and I can turn it to italic, the text. And when I click on this more option here, I can do multiple customizations like I want. After that, when the button is added, you just simply need to click on publish and then your button will be published to your site. So this is how you can add a button to a WordPress page. That's all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.